Did you know CookieYes is now a Google CMP Gold Partner? This achievement places us among the world's top consent management platforms. Trusted for balancing user privacy with business performance. Why does the gold status matter? This isn't just a title, it's a mark of excellence. As a Google CMP Gold Partner, CookieYes helps businesses comply with privacy laws like GDPR and CCPA, while ensuring accurate data tracking for better ad performance. It's privacy and progress, working together. How did CookieYes achieve this? CookieYes earned this recognition through smart, customer-focused features, such as error alerts, to notify you of setup issues so you can fix them quickly, live support. Our chat feature resolves problems fast to keep you compliant. Step-by-step guides for setting up consent mode, platform integration, to work seamlessly with major website platforms like WordPress, Shopify, Drupal, and more. Fast response times that guarantee replies to inquiries within 2 business days. Dedicated escalation contact for quick resolution of critical issues to maintain operations. CookieYes also supports 175+ languages and automates cookie updates. All this makes managing consent smooth and stress-free for businesses everywhere. That's why over 1.5 million websites trust CookieYes as their cookie compliance partner. CookieYes doesn't just manage consent, it builds trust, improves ad performance, and helps businesses' growth. Ready to join the privacy-first movement? Discover the benefits of CookieYes with a free trial. Visit our website to get started and transform your business today.